There's a place in LA that makes you feel like you've just landed in Hawaii, complete with aloha soy sauce and island vibes. And can you believe one of the most amazing spots is in a bowling alley? And another spot we're hitting is the highest rated Yelp restaurant in the entire US. And the best part? Our purchases are going towards Maui's recovery.
They carry the superior sriracha here.
This place reminds me of Liliha Bakery in Oahu. They have cakes too. They have Spam Musubi here too. They even have the aloha soy sauce. If you go to McDonald's in Hawaii, they have little packets of aloha soy sauce with your meal. I really feel like I'm in Hawaii when I'm in here. Okay, all the aunties and uncles here, they all look like they're from the island. That looks really good. That's the roast pork breakfast plate. This is my breakfast Saimin.
Instant noodle-ish.
Top ramen noodles. Very homey. This is so good. So one time I asked my friend who's from Hawaii, what are your remedies for getting sick? And she said, Saimin with a lot of pepper will heal you.
What else is in here?
Oh, there's eggs, and there's chashu, and there's fish cake, and there's a bok choy.
See, this looks so amazing.
It's a giant pork.
Super thick that is. The gravy's very light. It's not like heavy gravy, and it's a little bit lighter. The runny egg, sunny side up. Get 2 eggs on here. Oh man, this is so good.
That's a lot of pork too.
This is a lot.
The portions are so big.
Yeah.
And the prices are not a lot.
Yeah, look at this. Is a perfect piece right here.
Oh, it's...
It means like so tender.
If we ever miss Hawaii, we can just come back here, which is like all the time. We're gonna chow down.
I don't see how anything here could not be good. Everything's good.
$8.51. We ordered the lilikoi slice of cake. They got slammed right now, but everyone's eating breakfast.
Yeah.
I was gonna take it home, but I don't think it will survive. It's so soft. It's so lilikoi-ish.
Beautiful way to describe it.
It's really good. And the cake, it's like angel food cake. It's so soft. Come early, just get slammed.
Yeah, we got here at 10. We didn't have to wait that long. We will be back here for sure.
There are no seats.
Guess we gotta wait, huh?
11:11. And it's a packed house. No seats available.
You got a counter seat.
Everyone says get the Hawaiian Royale.
This royal mix looks very fatty.
It's a lot of meat. Mustard. How's it?
So tender.
That's the French toast.
This is very mushroomy.
Yeah, there's giant mushrooms in it.
Everywhere.
What is that green?
It's bok choy, right?
I'm gonna try this one. The French toast right now. Not a lot, just a little bit. It's made with Hawaiian roll. It's not too sweet. Sweet.
Really not too sweet. Yeah, it's quite lovely. A little bit of syrup.
That's the secret Hawaiian roll. I forgot that it comes with Portuguese sausage, and it's so delicious.
Buried in all the other meat.
I thought it was hamburger meat. It's so flavorful and so juicy and fatty. The Portuguese sausage is homemade. Hawaiian comfort food. They're so nice. They gave us free kimchi. We got the local plate with Portuguese sausage and purple rice. It's like Korean Hawaiian fusion. Even their Spam Musubi is purple.
The plate also comes with purple rice.
Oh, Portuguese sausage. I'm so a big fan of Portuguese sausage, so I'm so excited. This char makes all the difference, man. It's so delicious. Super savory, salty, a little bit sweet. They brush a little bit of, I think, teriyaki sauce on top. Oh, this egg is really good.
And the plate was $14.95, right?
Yeah, this is a lot of kimchi that they gave us.
Yeah, he gave it to us on the house. We can take it home.
That's so nice. Okay, someone on Yelp said, I don't even mind the parking situation because I know this place is delicious, and I totally understand what he means.
That's a very big endorsement, especially in LA where parking sucks.
Oh my gosh, I've never had purple Spam Musubi. and furikake and spam. This is good, but their Portuguese sausage is even better. It's hot. It's good.
They have a couple of other different like lunch plates. They have like teriyaki stuff. They have like tofu, other things like that. And we just looked up the origin of the name is from Hawaiian local saying that broke the mouth. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Broke the mouth.
It means that it's delicious. So delicious that it broke the mouth.
Yeah. First bite automatically broke the mouth. There's so much flavor in this, and you're right. The char on this is very magical. If you're like very sensitive to like really salty, savory stuff, it might be a little bit too salty for you, but mixed with the rice and the egg, this is like an ideal combo here. Perfect.
I want to buy the kimchi by the pound.
A la carte, this is $6.75, and he gave it to us for free.
That's
so.
cheap.
Yeah.
Oh, no-licious.
Nut pancakes. And some of the proceeds go towards the Maui relief efforts. So it's like a win-win.
It tastes like vanilla pudding.
This is supposedly the small one, but it looks rather large, and it was $7.
It's small because it only has 2 slices of
So you kind of
pancakes.
see. It's very creamy, but I think it's enough for 2 pancakes for sure. It's really good, but it does kind of taste like a vanilla pudding.
They're like actual magnets.
Yeah, they're actual magnets. So if you like look really closely, there's like big chunks of it here. It's very fluffy on the inside. Goes really well with the cream part. I think the thing is magnets are pretty expensive. It's a very high quality nut.
So Aloha Food Factory, they've been around for a very long time, and they do lots of like different Hawaiian local foods like Saimin's, Portuguese sausage, Spam Musubi, local mopo, stuff like that.
Especially because this is like the one dish that they're known for. It's definitely worth coming out here.
Yeah, everyone comes here for this.
Yeah, and they're open really early. It's 8:30, and here we are.